Hi everyone, and thanks for having us at TADHack 2018. We're Team TrustIt, and we worked the last 2 days on a solution using blockchain technology to add trust to peer-to-peer marketplaces. I'm sure you've all used a peer-to-peer marketplace such as Craigslist, Milanuncios, or eBay. Well, when I first moved to Amsterdam, I was actually looking for a new bike, and I had a look at different ads on these marketplaces. But however, I was never sure if the people who sell their bikes are actually trustworthy and if the ad wasn't fake or the bike was stolen before. So how can we actually establish a chain of trust on these networks? Well, our answer in terms of technology is very simple. It's just blockchain, and more specifically Hyperledger Fabric. But how does it work? So whenever my friend Phil goes to a store and buys a bike, he can then register it online on our blockchain. And then we verify with the store that the transaction was legit. When he then wants to resell it to me, I can ask him for the certificate that the transaction he did before was legit, that he's the actual owner of the bike, and the bike moves along the chain of trust. So what would happen if the bike was stolen from me? Well, in that case, the chain of trust would break because I would for sure not verify that I sold the bike to the thief. So let's have a look at how this would work on one of the marketplaces such as eBay. So here you can see a list of ads, and if we have a look at the first bike, we see the certificate is crossed. So this bike is most probably not safe to buy, and here we see that it was stolen. If we have a look at the other bike, the pink one in this case, we have the little certificate, and we can tell that the bike is safe to buy. By the way, this doesn't only work for bikes, but also for phones, tablets, computers, anything you might want to buy on a marketplace. And one more thing, you can also keep the date when you purchase the item so that you don't have to keep the receipts anymore. And you can actually get rid of them and just move along using our blockchain technology. So we trust it. Do you? Thank you.